Breaking Barriers, a teen's visionary innovation for medication accessibility. In a world where technology often falls short of meeting everyone's needs, a Vancouver teen has stepped up to the plate with an innovative solution. Brett DeVoe, a young man who has been navigating life without sight since the age of 16, faces a daily challenge, accessing his prescribed medications. High-tech glasses, designed to assist, often fail him. But here's where it gets controversial: why aren't more accessible options readily available? Enter Elvin Nguyen, a 15-year-old with a friend facing the same medication challenge. Nguyen noticed the struggle and decided to take action. Did you know that over 70% of Canadians with vision loss rely on prescribed medications weekly? Yet, accessibility remains a significant issue, even with digital solutions available. Tommy Leung, a spokesperson from the Canadian National Institute for the Blind, emphasizes the importance of such technologies for independence. However, at pharmacies, the options are limited, and DeVoe describes the situation as not accessible at all. And this is the part most people miss: only 20% of Vancouver pharmacies offer Script Talk, a system with talking labels. While readers are free for those with vision loss, awareness is lacking. As of 2020, Script Talk users accounted for a mere 2% of prescription takers in Canada. Nguyen, inspired by his friend's challenge, took matters into his own hands. For the Science Fair Foundation's Youth Innovation Showcase, he created something revolutionary: 3D printed labels in Braille. With this invention, no additional devices are needed, making it accessible to all, regardless of their access to phones or high-tech gadgets. Learning Braille promotes independence, as Nguyen points out. Do you want to take your phone every time you need medication, or just drag your fingers across and take it? DeVoe, who has always found his own ways to make things accessible, will now have an even easier time with Nguyen's invention. When his high-tech glasses fail, he can rely on this innovative solution. So, what do you think? Is this a step towards a more inclusive future? Or are there other considerations we should be making? Share your thoughts in the comments below.